Alright guys, today I'm going to give a tutorial video. I know this is my first tutorial, so bear with me with this one. I have got a new video card and I will be showing you guys how to install it. Keep in mind this is real time. I've already taken out screws and shit needed, so because see, there's my side panel and inside of my computer. First thing you want to do is remove this. It just generally right there, it just unscrews. Or you may have one that just pops out. I don't know. I do realize that this is an old computer, so I do not want to hear it. This is a computer from 2004. This is my new video card. First thing you want to do is make sure you have a compatible slot for it. Generally, it's either PCIe or AGP. Me, personally, I do not have any PCIe slots. I only have these old PCI slots and an AGP 8X slot, which I am super happy about. That's an 8X. First thing you want to do, generally it would be locked. You want to unlock it just by pulling off to the side. That will unlock the connector port. Now, I know you're supposed to be grounded. All you have to do is touch the chassis of your computer. Being as I don't have a free hand, I will just touch my forearm to it. And you simply slide it down into the slot. And keep in mind I'm using one hand. Then make sure it goes in all the way. Then push the lever all the way back to where it was. And then put in your mounting screw. It is generally always a good idea to hand tighten it before you use your screwdriver. Hold on a second. There we go. Again, remain keeping the forearm on the chassis. This applies to most motherboards, and I currently have a BioStar M7 VIG motherboard. So if you want to use that as a reference, it's just from biostarusa.com. And let's see. If you want to look it up, go for it. And it will should automatically turn off the internal video and then put on this video instead. Just like my sound card did. Now I only have room for one more enhancement because I don't know anything that actually uses a CNR port. So I have one PCI slot left. Then you just return everything back into your computer, back the way it was. If I could do this with one hand. There we go. And that is locked in place now. See, it ain't going anywhere. It's in there. This is my semi-custom computer. I didn't personally put it together, but I don't see any brand names on any of these, on anything on here. And this is a piece of shit hard drive that I've been having so much trouble with. It's only a 6 gigabyte. Why do I even bother? Possibly because this is only a 40 gig. Yeah, I said it, 40 gig. I need more RAM. This right here is a 256 megabyte. That's it. And obviously I need a better CPU fan. And I need to fill that slot up. It's the USB port thing. Because I don't have any on the front panel. So, anyways, that is how you install a PCI 8 AGP 8X video card. And I will this completes my tutorial video, I guess. I've never done one of these, so if you found this helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you feel like doing. I don't care anymore. Okay, peace out. Whoop whoop. God juice, y'all.